In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11.2, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery and selecting Photos or Albums on the left. Then hold one of your pictures for, let's start with Photos category, and use all of those dots at the top right corners to select multiple photos right away. If you want to keep some of them, you can always click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this bin at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from one of your albums, just hold one of your photos as well. But this time use this icon with a check mark at the top right corner. Then to keep some of them, click on them, and to delete the rest, use the same bin as before. Then hit delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!